Hey everybody, Chris Scalf here. Welcome to my videos. I'm going to start putting some photorealism tutorials up on this site, and I'm currently making new ones, but these are old ones here. This is my first ever photorealism tutorial that I did a few years ago, so it's probably going to seem a little quiet. I was a little shy when I put it together and just trying to get into the groove of it, but I really wanted to share this with you before I proceed with the new material that's coming up really soon. I should probably point out also that this stuff is the raw deal. That means I'm not being particularly picky about my recording and the equipment and whatever. This is just straight up me recording with a microphone on the desk while I draw. I'll probably improve my audio recording process as I go, but in the meantime, I just want to hurry up and get the content out there first. See if I can get feedback from people and see what I can do to improve it as I go. But I don't want to put the cart before the horse, and I know just the way I work, if I overthink it too much, I'll never get it off the ground. So that being said, just prepare for all kinds of background noises and whatnot. The dog walking in the room and whatever, and your kids playing in the background once in a while. And I try to keep it, usually try to keep it as quiet as possible around me, but it's kind of hard to do in a house full of a family. So, but for the most part, I hope the visuals will be strong enough for you to be able to, get a good idea of what's going on with my techniques. And again, there'll be a lot more videos coming. I'll be making some new stuff here this year and uploading them on this site. So right now you see a photo or a time lapse version of the whole painting as it's being done. I put this on the front of the video so you can get an idea of what the picture is going to look like. But this thing's about almost 6 hours long. And literally, I take you through the whole entire process side by side with a photo reference on the right and the art on the left, and I'm just creating this thing and doing my best to explain every little detail I'm going through, all the little tricks and Photoshop and whatnot. But like I said, it was my first video, and felt a little awkward at some points. And I want you to know that if you run into a spot where you're like, "Hey, what in the heck is he doing? He didn't make any sense there," or if I mumbled something and you want some more clarity, just email me. Send me an email, cscalf@chrisscalf.com, with any of your questions, and I'll look forward to answering them for you. So I'm going to go ahead and let this time-lapse video finish up for you. Feel free to watch the rest of it, and then I hope you'll tune in after this and watch the videos real time. Thanks for watching.